Today, I will tell you how to create an account on Fiverr. First, open Google and go to the Fiverr website. Then, sign in using your Gmail account. Then, click on your profile and go to the settings. Then, you need to click on Start Selling. It will ask you, ready to start selling on Fiverr? Click Continue to proceed. You will see a page like this. First, you need to enter your full name, and then your display name. Now we need a profile picture, which we will create using Canva, a free and cool tool, just like the one I'm making. Now you need to write a good description. You can check other people's profiles to see how they've written theirs. Prepare a nice one and write it down. Now you need to select languages. You can choose 2 to 3 languages. Now click Continue and add your professional information. Now add your occupation and then add your skills. In the skills section, you can add skills like guest posting, digital marketing, SEO, or any other valuable skills. Then add your education, and after that, add your certifications. In the personal information section, you can add any account like Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn. I added my LinkedIn account. After that, click Continue. Then you need to set up your account, like adding your email and phone number, which I have already done. After that, it will ask you a security question, and you just need to select one and answer it. When you click Continue, all your information will be complete, and your account will be successfully created. Then it will tell you to create a gig. For today, we learned how to create an account. In the next video, we'll learn how to create a gig.